Hello kids, good afternoon. How are you? I think you all are very fine, but only few of you are here. Why? Others went to sleep in the afternoon? No, na? Okay. I think you are all very much interested in listening to GK class. Yeah, from morning even you are listening to other classes, right? I think this will be somewhat interesting to you, okay? Yeah, okay. So, what did we study in our last class? Do you remember what we studied? What did we study? Yes, it's about famous Indians of today, right? We have seen few famous Indians of today, right? Shall I ask you a few questions? Will you answer me? Not by seeing your book, okay? You have to close your book and you have to just answer me, okay? Done? Okay. So I'll ask you a few questions, okay? Okay. Okay, your first question is a brilliant actor. He has acted in films like The Lunchbox, Pansing Tomar, and Life of Pi. Again, I am repeating you the question. A brilliant actor. He has acted in films like The Lunchbox, Pansing Tomar, and Life of Pi. Who is it? Yes, you're right. He is Irfan Khan. Okay, Irfan Khan. Okay, now the second question. A brilliant director. Okay, so the previous question I asked you about a brilliant actor, and now I'm asking you about a brilliant director. His films include Three Idiots and the Munna Bhai series. I'm repeating again. A brilliant director. His films include Three Idiots and the Munna Bhai series. Who is it? Yes, Rajkumar Hirani. Okay, okay, then the next question. Yeah, a sound engineer. He won an Oscar for the film Slumdog Millionaire. A sound engineer. He won an Oscar for the film Slumdog Millionaire. Who is it? Yeah, you're right. Razal Pukuti, right? Okay, I think you are very thorough with the previous day portion, right? Yeah, previous week portion, right? We have 1 week gap, right? Okay, okay. So today we are going to see 21st century leaders. Okay, so 21st century means, yeah, now we are at 21st century, right? The year starting from 2000 to 2100 is 21st century. Okay, century means, yeah, a span of 100 years, right? Okay, I think my kids all know it. Okay, okay. So shall we enter into the question? So we are going to study few 21st century leaders. Okay, okay, we shall move into the questions. So the first question is, yeah, this is what the title, right? Name the countries that these belongs to. Okay, so we have to find the countries and how, to which country they belong to. Okay, so some information will be given and we have to find which country they belongs to. Okay, so the first question is, Jacob Zuma was elected as the president of his country in 2009 and for the second term in 2014. Okay, so Jacob Zuma, okay, he is the president of one country. We have to find which country he is in 2009 and for the second term in 2014. Okay, so from 2009 to 14 and 14 to remaining years. Okay, okay, so Jacob Zuma, he belongs to the country South Africa. Okay, so you have to know the names. Okay, just it will be somewhat difficulty because you want to remember the years. I won't compel you to remember the years. If you want, you can have it in your mind, but you have to know the names. Okay, so if I ask Jacob Zuma, he belongs to which country, then you should know to say he is the president of South Africa. Okay, you have to study in that way. Okay, okay. And the next question, in 2005, Angela Merkel, okay, so Angela Merkel became the first women chancellor of her country. Okay, so this Angela Merkel, she belongs to one country and she is the first women chancellor of her country. Okay, so Angela Merkel, she is a female. Okay, so she is the first women chancellor of her country. So chancellor means what? Okay, being as a part of government, maybe in judicial or financial section. Okay, So being as a head in a part like judicial or financial area. Okay. So this Angela Merkel, she became the first women chancellor. So till 2005 there is no women chancellor, and she is the first to become the women chancellor in which country? Yes, she is the first women chancellor of Germany. So if I ask you who is the first women chancellor of Germany, then you should know the name Angela Merkel. Okay. Okay, done. Next question. Yeah, here it is. Theresa May became the second women prime minister of a country in 2016. Theresa May, so this is a name of her name, okay? You don't think that M-A-Y means a month, okay? Yeah, May, we have no January, February, March, April, May. Don't think that May. This is the name of that lady, okay? Theresa May, okay? So she became the second women prime minister of a country in 2016. So we have to find which country she belongs to. So shall we see? Yeah, United Kingdom, right? So who is the second women prime minister of United Kingdom? Yeah, she is Theresa May, right? So you have to study in such a way, okay? You have to understand and you have to study, okay? Only then it will stay in your mind, okay? So the next question. Xi Jinping was elected as the president of his country in 2013. I think by seeing the name itself, you will find which country this man belongs to. Xi Jinping. Which country? China. So this is a Chinese name, right? Yeah, it will be like Jinping, right? Something like that. Yeah, you know, I think so. Okay. So this man, he was elected as the president of his country in 2013. So he belongs to China. Okay. So the next question. Sheikh Hasina became the prime minister of his country. Sorry, her country. I've given it wrong, I think so. Yeah, I have given his, right? Oh, so sorry, my dear kids. That is her, okay? Okay, her country. For the third time in 2014, okay? Sheikh Hasina. Okay? Sheikh Hasina. We have to know which country she belongs to. Bangladesh. Okay, so the Sheikh Hasina belonged to Bangladesh. Okay, so she became the prime minister of her country for the third time in 2014. So I think she is there for 3 continuous years, I think so. Okay, so the next question. Shinzo Abe was elected as the prime minister of his country for the third time in 2014. Here also one man, he was elected as the prime minister for his country for the third time. Shinzo Abe. Okay, so it belongs to Japan. Okay, Shinzo Abe was elected as the prime minister of his country for the third time in 2014. So which country he belongs to? Japan. Okay, so the next question. Yeah, Shering Tobge. Shering Tobge. T-S-H-E-R-I-N-G. Shering Tobge. Tobge was elected as the prime minister of his country in 2013. So Shering Tobge, he belongs to Bhutan. Okay, so Shering Tobge, he belongs to Bhutan. So when I ask who is the prime minister, name one prime minister from Bhutan, then you should know Shering Tobge. Okay, okay. If you want, you can Google and you can study so many prime ministers of Bhutan. Okay, that's your wish. But when I ask you, you can write this name. Okay. Okay. So the next question. Vladimir Putin became the president in 2012, having earlier served as the prime minister and president of his country. So he became the president in 2012. So before becoming the president in 2012, yeah, already he served as the prime minister and president, okay, of his country. Okay, so he has been prime minister as well as president of his country. So Vladimir Putin, I think you may have heard this name. Is it? No? Okay, I have heard this name. Okay, so he's from Russia. Okay, so Vladimir Putin became the president in 2012, having earlier served as the prime minister and president of his country. So he was the prime minister. He served as the prime minister and also as the president. Okay, okay. So the next question. Yeah, in 2008, Raul Castro took over as the president of his country from his brother Fidel Castro. Okay, Fidel, the most famous leader of his country, passed away. Fidel, the most famous leader of his country, passed away in 2016. Okay, so Raul Castro and Fidel Castro, they are siblings, they were brothers. And in 2008, what this Raul Castro did is he took the over as the president of country from his brother Fidel Castro. So Fidel Castro was the president, and this Raul Castro took the leadership from this Fidel Castro. And this Fidel, he was a famous leader of his country, and he passed away in 2016. Okay, so 8 years before his death, his brother took the position from him. Okay, so so which country he belongs to is Cuba. Okay, so this Raul Castro and Fidel Castro, they were siblings and they belong to Cuba. Okay, so I think we can move to the next question. Yeah, here. In 2011, at the age of 28, Kim Jong-un became the supreme leader of his country. Okay, you have to know this name, okay? Kim Jong-un. He became the supreme leader of his country. Okay, not as a prime minister or president, supreme leader of his country. Okay, which country? North Korea. Okay. If you know about North Korea, it's very interesting, and you will open your mouth wide, and you will think, oh, is it such a country? Definitely you will think. Okay, so if you want to know about North Korea, go Google it and you can know about North Korea, or else you will have more videos in YouTube, okay, about North Korea. You can know about this North Korea, this area, and also about this leader Kim Jong-un. Okay, yeah, such a leader he is, and it will make you too afraid. Definitely not afraid. You will think, is he such a man like that? You will think. Okay, okay, know about North Korea. Okay, don't forget, you have to Google and you have to see about North Korea, because we are living in a freedom country. Okay, we have freedom, but those people, they don't have freedom for many things. Okay, there are so many facts about North Korea. You can see. Okay, it will be interesting and it will be informative for you. Okay, you have to know about North Korea and about the leader. Okay, don't forget. Okay, okay, then the next question is, in 2017, Mike Pence became the vice president of his country. So Mike Pence became the vice president of country. Which country he belongs to? We have to know. USA. So does Mike Pence belong to USA? Okay, yes. The next question, this is the last question, I think so. Yeah, from 2009 till 2013, Hillary Clinton was the Secretary of State of her country. She became very close to becoming the first women president of her country in 2016, when she lost the presidential election by a whisker. Okay, so we are going to study about Hillary Clinton. Okay, so from 2009 to 2013, she was a secretary of state of her country. Okay, she was a secretary. Okay, a very good position in government, right? Yeah, so this Hillary Clinton, she was serving as a secretary of a state in 2009 to 2013. Okay, and yeah, she stood for election, and she was in the verge. Okay, everyone are expecting that definitely Hillary Clinton is going to be the president of the country, and everyone thought she's the first women president. Okay, like that everyone thought. But the last time she lost the election. Okay, yeah, everyone thought definitely she is going to become, but she lost. And another one man, who is that? Donald Trump, right? So he became the president. Now you know, now you all know, right? So which country they belong to? USA, right? Okay, so okay, Hillary Clinton, she lost the presidential election. Okay, so everyone thought definitely she is going to become the president and she will be the first women president of America, but she lost. Okay, she didn't become. Okay, she is not the first women president of country, she lost it. Okay ma, okay, so this is about today's portion, and I think you have understood. Write it on your book and you have to study. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for your patient listening. We shall meet on our next class. Okay kids, bye bye.